What if your entire Ruby stack could talk to any AI model in under 10 lines? It can. Most Ruby developers are spending 40+ hours building custom AI wrappers from scratch. There's a single gem that eliminates all of that. It's called llm.rb. It supports 12 providers out of the box. It handles tool calling, streaming, and embeddings natively. But here's what most people haven't figured out yet: the real power is hiding in one specific feature. The AI boom largely skipped Ruby developers. Python grabbed 78% of all AI tooling in 2023. Ruby got scattered gems, outdated wrappers, and zero unified runtime. The average Ruby developer spent 15 to 30 hours just wiring up a basic OpenAI integration. That's before streaming, retries, or error handling. Rails apps were left behind while Python shops shipped AI features in days. The Ruby community needed one authoritative solution. llm.rb is exactly that. And what it does under the hood will completely change how you think about AI in Ruby. But the provider story is where this gets really interesting. Most AI gems lock you into one provider. llm.rb supports 12 providers natively. OpenAI, Anthropic, Google Gemini, Llama, Mistral, all unified under one interface. Switching providers takes exactly one line of code. That's not a marketing claim. That's a literal single-line swap. No rewrites. No new abstractions. No extra dependencies. This matters enormously for production apps. OpenAI goes down, you flip to Anthropic in seconds. Cost spike, you route to Mistral at a fraction of the price. In benchmarks, teams using multi-provider routing cut inference costs by up to 60%. That's real money at scale. One Rails app reported saving $2,400 per month after switching from single-provider lock-in. But the provider support is only half the story. The built-in tool calling changes the entire game. Tool calling is what separates toy AI demos from real AI products. Most Ruby developers are hand-rolling tool definitions in raw JSON. That takes hours per tool. With llm.rb, you define tools as plain Ruby objects. The gem handles serialization, dispatch, and response parsing automatically. You write Ruby. The AI calls it. Results come back structured. A developer who recently shipped an internal scheduling bot reported cutting build time from 3 days to 4 hours using llm.rb's tool interface. That's a 75% reduction in development time. And it works across all 12 supported providers, not just OpenAI. You don't rewrite tool definitions when you switch models. The abstraction holds. Streaming support is included at the same level. No callbacks, no polling. Just Ruby blocks. But the most underrated capability hasn't even been mentioned yet. Most developers treat embeddings as a separate problem. They reach for Pinecone, Weaviate, or a custom vector store. llm.rb builds embedding generation directly into the runtime. You call one method. You get back a dense vector. You store it however you want. This isn't a gimmick. Embeddings unlock semantic search, retrieval-augmented generation, and memory for AI agents. Without a native embedding layer, every Ruby AI app needs 2 to 3 extra dependencies. llm.rb collapses that to zero. A production RAG pipeline that used to require 4 gems and 200 lines now takes 40 lines with llm.rb. That's an 80% reduction in boilerplate. The gem also supports conversation history management natively. No more manually stitching message arrays together. Sessions persist, context accumulates, and responses stay coherent. This is the feature that makes llm.rb a runtime, not just a client wrapper. And the production readiness built into its core architecture is what seals it. A lot of AI gems work in demos. They break under production load. llm.rb was designed from the ground up for production Ruby environments. It includes configurable retry logic with exponential backoff out of the box. Timeout handling is built in, no monkey patching required. Rate limit errors are caught and surfaced with clean Ruby exceptions. You can log every request and response with a single middleware hook. This matters enormously for compliance and debugging. One team using llm.rb in a customer-facing Rails app reported 0 unhandled AI exceptions in 30 days of production traffic. Compare that to rolling your own client, where error handling alone takes a full sprint to harden. llm.rb also ships with a clean, rack-inspired middleware stack. You can inject custom behavior without forking the gem. This architectural decision alone separates it from every other Ruby AI library available today. Wait until you see how all of this comes together in the final takeaways. Here's what you need to remember. First, llm.rb gives you 12 AI providers in one gem, and switching takes one line. Second, native tool calling cuts AI feature build time by up to 75%. Third, built-in embeddings and production-grade error handling make it a true runtime, not a wrapper. If you're building anything in Ruby with AI, this is the only gem you need to know right now. Like this video if it saved you hours. Subscribe for more developer AI breakdowns every week. And drop a comment below. Are you currently using AI in a Ruby or Rails app, and what's your biggest pain point?